Hey, you might have eaten a lot of kathal or jackfruit, but have you ever had them as koftas? The koftas made from kathal are more delicious and have a meaty mouthfeel like that of muttons. If you have guests over or are celebrating a special occasion, this recipe is perfect for you. To make the koftas, start by taking kathal or jackfruit cut into cubes along with a medium-sized peeled and half potato. Add them to the pressure cooker. Add 2 cups of water and pressure cook them over a high flame for 2 whistles. Drain the excess water after they are boiled, and then for flavor add spicy red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, salt, and some chopped coriander leaves. For binding and soaking any extra moisture, add roasted besan. Add a pinch of baking soda to make your kofta soft and fluffy. Then mash and combine the ingredients. And please do not blend them or else the meaty texture will be lost. You know the mixture is ready when it does not stick to your fingers when you make a ball out of it. Now apply oil on your hand and portion the koftas to any size you desire. Next, heat some refined oil in a kadhai and gently drop the koftas into it. Fry over a medium flame for 2 minutes until they turn golden brown. When done, drain the excess oil in the kadhai and place it on a plate lined with paper towels. You can eat it as is like a snack or make a curry like we'll show you. To make the curry, we will prepare a gravy base with some onions, cloves of garlic, an inch of ginger, green chili, a bay leaf, cinnamon, cloves, green cardamom, black peppercorns, jeera, and half a cup of water. Blend them and make a thick paste. Then heat some refined oil in a kadhai and add the gravy base. Fry this over a high flame until the paste turns golden brown. Add freshly made tomato puree, turmeric powder, coriander powder, Kashmiri chili powder, and salt. Fry the masalas over medium heat for 2 minutes. You can add some water if you feel the mixture is dry and keep frying to prevent it from burning. Once the gravy releases its oil, rinse your blender and add the water into the gravy. Remember, the koftas will soak some water, so add some extra to adjust for it. Cover and simmer for 3 minutes to completely cook the gravy. If you break open one of the koftas, you will see the fibrous texture that gives them a meaty mouthfeel. Add your koftas to the gravy and let it simmer for 2 minutes so they can soak in all the flavors. Make sure the koftas soak evenly by stirring and adjusting them. Finish by sprinkling some chopped coriander leaves, a dollop of ghee, and a few drops of Keora essence. Use half a teaspoon of Keora water if you do not have Keora essence. Give it a resting time by turning off the heat and covering it for 5 minutes. And there you have it, Kathal Kofta Curry ready to be served. Serve it hot with steamed rice, naan or roti. If you love this recipe, please like and share. And until next time, happy cooking!